So, let's talk about the Introduction to Computers by Peter Norton, 7th edition, slides and handouts. So, a world of computers. So, computers are everywhere, as you can see in these pictures. Ginagamit nila ang computers sa casa. So, what is computer? So, a computer is an electronic device operating under the control of instructions stored in its own memory. It collects data or input, the processing that produces information of the or output. So, the components of a computer. So, a computer contains many electronic, and mechanical components known as hardware. So, input devices, the output device, the system unit, the storage device, and communication device. So, input device, it allows you to enter data and instruction into a computer. Output device, a hardware component that conveys information to one or more people. Next is the system unit, so case that contains the electronic components of the computer that are used to process data. Next is the storage device. It records, writes, and or reads items to and from storage media. Lastly is the communication device. It enables a computer to send and receive data, instruction, and information to and from one or more computers or mobile devices. So there are advantages and disadvantages of using computers. So the advantage are the speed, reliability, the consistency, the storage, and the communication. While in disadvantage of using computers is health risk, the violation of privacy, the public safety, and the impact on labor force and the impact on environment. So, advantages and disadvantages of using computers again. So, first is the green computing. It involves reducing the electricity consumed and environmental waste generated when using a computer. Strategies include recycling, regulating manufacturing processes, extending the life of computers, immediately donating, or properly disposing or replace computers. Networks and in the internet. So a network is a collection of computers and devices connected together, often wirelessly, via communication devices and transmission media. So the internet is a worldwide collection of network that connects billions of businesses, governments, agencies, educational institutions, and individuals. People use the internet for a variety of reasons. To communicate, research and access information, the shop, the bank and invest, online trading, entertainment, download videos and share information in web application. Next is the social networking website encourages members to share their interests, the ideas, the stories, photos, music, and videos with other registered users. Software, also called a program, tells the computer the task to perform and how to perform them. Installing is the process of setting a software to work with a computer, printer, and other hardware. So there are categories of computers. So to personal computers, to mobile computers and mobile devices, game consoles, servers, mainframe, supercomputers, embedded computers. A personal computer can perform all of its input, processing, output, and storage activity by itself. Two popular architectures are the PC and the Apple. Next, the supercomputers, the embedded computers, so elements of information system, the hardware, the software, the data, people, and producers. This is the examples of computer usage. The home users, the small office or home office users and mobile users.